It's Sean from RecPro.com, and I'm here with Abby, and we're going to give you some seriously sweet s'mores recipes that maybe you haven't thought of. Now, nothing's better than a s'mores with your family and friends around the campfire, but have you thought about tweaking them just a little bit to take your s'more game to the next level? The first one up is called the Cup of S'mores. Now, instead of your traditional chocolate bar, in your s'more sandwich, replace it with a Reese's Pieces peanut butter cup. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah. If you're a fan of peanut butter, it's perfect. If you're allergic to peanuts, don't do it. The next up is called the Sergeant. Now, the Sergeant is a delicious twist on the s'mores game. What you do instead of your traditional graham crackers is you replace them with fudge stripe cookies. Yeah, it's a bit messy, but it'll be delicious. So this is my s'mores hype lady.
I love s'mores.
Does a fantastic job. Thank you, Abby. Now the next one, and this is the one I'm most excited about trying, is the cinnamon roll. What you do is you take, instead of a traditional graham cracker, you get a cinnamon graham cracker. You put cream cheese on each graham cracker and then put a toasted marshmallow in between, and it will taste like a cinnamon roll fresh out of the oven in the morning.
Delicious.
Delicious. The next up is the Aunt Hazel. Now, yeah, that sounds gross, but hold on a second. If you take Nutella and you spread it on each graham cracker and then put your awesome s'mores marshmallow in between, it is a delicious treat. Now, we've saved the best for last, and this is when we're going to start toasting our marshmallows. Hopefully we won't catch everything or each other on fire.
No.
All right, here we go. The last one, it's called the Bite of Gold. Now this one's going to blow your mind. Look how nice and toasty that is. That's delicious. The Bite of Gold. Ooh, fire hazard. I hope we have a fire extinguisher. The Bite of Gold is when you take a chocolate bar that has caramel in the center and you replace your chocolate bars with it. It takes your s'more to a whole new level.
So good.
So good. I'm going to toast this just a little bit more. I am not good at this. I am not good at this. Okay. All right, I'm going to get my graham cracker and I'm going to get my chocolate. And I need another graham cracker. Get the graham cracker. I'm going to do this. And it's sticky.
The best thing is to use the s'mores marshmallows. That's what we have.
Yeah, you notice they're
fits perfectly.
Yes. All right, I'm gonna take a bite of this.
Oh, I'm struggling.
No, you can do it. Don't let your s'mores die. Don't let your oh, that's so sticky. All right. Are you ready? You ready for your s'mores?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God.
It doesn't matter that it's messy. It's so good.
As long as you're happy. Thanks for joining us. Subscribe below. They might even milk. Milk.